In 3 minutes of market open, sell call generated, red color candle open. Daily, automatically it will generate calls like a signal. Right now, sell call generated, so red color candle open. Today it's May 21st, Tuesday market, Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. So the call came at 48,240. That straight white line from red candle, that is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. So through this entry, you can do manual trading in your broker account or auto trading also possible. For plan details, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. So coming back to the call came at 48,240. First target is 48,119. It's 120 point first target. After 9:30, market started to fall in downside direction and break out the first target. The target breakout at 10 o'clock. So in 40 to 45 minutes of trading, it successfully break out the first target. If you want to subscribe for the chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.